Hello guys and welcome back to AppTech Guru. In today's video, I will show you how you can unlock the bootloader on any Samsung phone. Now, unlocking the bootloader is the first and the most important step if you want to install a custom recovery or a custom ROM on your Samsung device. This is also necessary if you wish to root your phone. This tutorial is beginner-friendly, works on almost all modern Samsung phones, and I will guide you step by step using Odin. Before we begin, here are a few important things that you must know. Unlocking the bootloader will factory reset your phone. All of your data will be erased, so you will need to back up everything. Samsung Knox will also be permanently tripped, and features such as Secure Folder, Samsung Pay, and some banking apps may stop working. However, these can be fixed later. Now, if you're well aware of the risks and still wish to continue, then let's go ahead. Here's what you will need before starting: a Samsung phone, a Windows PC or laptop. Also ensure that Samsung USB drivers are installed on your device. Just use your search engine to search for Samsung Android USB driver, and you can download and install with just a single click. Now, while the USB drivers are being installed, the next step is to download and install the Odin Flash tool. Just go into odinflash.com and you can download the latest version. Once the file is downloaded, you can extract the folder to your desired location. Also ensure that your device has at least 50% battery. And now finally, let's start the process of unlocking your bootloader. Step 1 is to enable the developer options. First of all, open up your phone settings and now look for the About Phone section. Once you find it, just tap on it and look for software information. Inside this, you will find the build number of your device. Go ahead and tap on this several times and you will see a message letting you know that the developer mode has now been enabled. You may also be prompted to enter your screen lock PIN or provide your biometrics. Now, once the developer mode has been enabled, you will now need to enable the OEM Unlocking. And be extremely careful not to touch any other setting that you're not familiar with. Simply find for the OEM Unlocking option and you will see a button that you can toggle on. Go ahead and tap on it, and now if you see any warning, you will need to confirm. After this, you will need to turn off your phone completely. So long press your power button and then turn off your phone. After this, you will need to enter the download mode. And now it is the time to open up the Odin application. Go ahead and open it up. First of all, plug the USB cable onto your laptop. Make sure the phone is still turned off. And now hold down both the volume up and the volume down key. While both of these keys are being held, plug the data cable onto your phone. Just wait for a few seconds. And now your phone will start. Make sure not to leave the buttons that you have pressed, and you will now soon see that you have entered the download mode. You can now release the buttons and proceed to the next step. Once you are inside the download mode, you can now finally unlock your bootloader. On the download mode screen, press and hold the volume up button. You will need to read the warning carefully and press up once again to confirm. And now your phone will go through a factory reset, which will also unlock your bootloader. Once this process is complete, your phone will reboot. And since your device has been reset, you will need to set up your device from the beginning once again. And that is it. Your bootloader has now been unlocked. To confirm this, go back into Settings and enable Developer Options. Then enter the Developer Options page, and you will either see that the OEM Unlock option is grayed out and you cannot turn it off, or the unlocking menu is not available altogether, meaning that it has been unlocked. And that's it. You have successfully unlocked the bootloader on your Samsung phone. After this, you can customize your phone based on your desire. You can root your device, flash custom ROMs, and much more. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for those videos as well. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.